Melissa here with Epson LabelWorks. Did you know that the PX tape lineup offers over 180 different tape supplies? So I wanted to take a moment to discuss the different materials we have and help you decide which one's best for your labeling needs. Before we dive into the supplies, you should know that all of the PX printers are thermal transfer technology. So that means they have a resin ribbon that acts as the ink. Now, when the resin ribbon passes through the printhead and heats up, it fuses with the top coating on the tape, creating a durable, long-lasting label. So I can confidently tell you that all of the supplies are chemical, oil, weather, water, and abrasion resistant. So go ahead and label all the things. Let's start by talking about the polyester-based material, or PET tape, as you'll often see it referred to. This is where you're going to find the largest selection of colors and sizes. Sizes range from 1/6 of an inch all the way up to 2 inch. Now these materials are available in a gloss finish, and they have a standard industrial grade adhesive. In this section, you'll also find our strong adhesive, which are made with the same material but have a higher tack rating. Now the PET tapes are cross-compatible and will work with any of your PX printers as long as your printer takes that tape size, of course. The PET tapes are going to be great for any of your color coding or just general purpose labeling needs. Also available in the polyester material is our fluorescent and silver matte tapes. Now the fluorescents are great for any label that you really need to draw attention to. They stand out well, they're high visibility, and of course, there's some fun colors. Silver matte is ideal for barcoding, asset management, and they look really professional. A popular supply available on the PX lineup is our printable heat shrink tube. Now we offer shrink tube available in 1/8 up to 7/8, which is going to be suitable for wire gauges from 22 up to 4/0. We offer 3 different materials in our shrink tube, and depending on the material, you're either going to get a 2:1 or a 3:1 shrink ratio. Now we could talk details about those specs, but let me just tell you, if you have questions or you want to see the specs for yourself, feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to send them to you or even include printed samples for you to evaluate. A unique supply available in the PX lineup is magnetic tapes. Now instead of being adhesive back, they're magnetic back. These are available in sizes from 1/2 inch up to 2 inch in colors red, yellow, blue, green, and white. The magnetic supplies are great for color coding, refrigerators, whiteboards, lockers, and any metal shelving that needs labeling. Another supply available in the PX lineup is our vinyl material. Now here you'll find sizes from 1/2 inch up to 2 inch in colors both black on white and black on yellow. Now these supplies have a matte finish and they're ideal for any of your cable and wire labeling. So if you're doing wraps or flags, the vinyl supplies are the one to choose. Now the vinyl tapes will work in any of your PX printers as long as they'll accommodate that tape size. Also available in the vinyl material is our self-laminating cable wraps. Now these are available in 1 inch and 1.5 inch, so you should make sure that you're using a printer that can accommodate those sizes. The self-laminating tapes are unique because they offer a top printable area, which is black on white, followed by a clear tail. So as the label wraps around the wire, you can easily read the text, and the clear provides an additional layer of protection. These are great for your wires and cables, whether they have ends on them or not. The next supply I want to highlight is our soft colors. These are available in 1/2 inch, and they all offer a gray imprint. Now these are part of our polyester-based material, or PET tape, and offer that same standard industrial grade adhesive as the other PET tapes. They also have a gloss finish. Now these are great for any of those subtle labeling needs, crafting, gift wrapping, or any general labeling that you want to make. A unique supply available in the PX lineup is our printable ribbon. Now these are a fabric ribbon with no adhesive backing. They're available in the 1/2 inch size, so they'll fit in any of your PX printers, and they are available in 5 colors. Now we do recommend that you turn your cutter off and cut these manually for a clean cut. The ribbons are great for gift wrapping, awareness ribbons, even hair ties, or whatever fun creative thing you can come up with. The next supply I want to talk about is our Pearlized tapes. Now these are available in 1/2 inch, and they all offer a black imprint with either red, blue, or green. These are part of our polyester-based material, or PET tape as you'll see them called, and they offer a standard industrial grade adhesive. Being their 1/2 inch, they'll fit in any of the PX printers, and these are great for school labeling, crafting, card making, or anything that you really want to shine. One of the newer supplies available in the PX lineup is our craft paper tape. Now it's available in 3 sizes, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, and they are made of a paper-based material. Now they do offer a standard industrial grade adhesive and come with a matte finish. The craft paper tape is great for canning jars, gift wrapping, general crafting and card making, and it just offers a unique texture for a personal touch. Our next supply highlight is the gold imprint tape. This is available in 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, and is made of our polyester-based material, or PET tape, as you'll see it referred to. Now the 2 larger sizes are available with a standard industrial grade adhesive, while the 1/2 inch is available in a strong adhesive. All of the supplies have the gloss finish, and they're great for retail display cases, custom rod building, or anything that you want to give that nice professional sophisticated look. One of the newer supplies available in the PX lineup is our extra tough nylon cloth. Now this supply is available in 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch in black on white. This tape is made of a nylon-based material and has a matte finish. Now this supply is our strongest adhesive, so it's great for any of those hard to label surfaces or environments that are more subject to dirt and wear and tear. A fun supply available in the PX lineup is our metallic tapes. Now these are available in 3/4 inch, and you have the option of either black on silver or black on gold. Now these tapes are made of our polyester-based material, so they have that same standard industrial grade adhesive, and being they're metallic tapes, they have a high gloss finish. These tapes are great for any of your general labeling, gift wrapping, or anything you want to sparkle. Check out our designer matte collection available in the PX lineup. These tapes are available in 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, and offer 12 different color varieties. Now these tapes are made of a polyester-based material and have a standard industrial grade adhesive, and as the name suggests, they have a matte finish. Now these tapes are great for any of your general labeling needs, whether it be around the home, office, or school. A useful supply when printing large quantities of labels is our bulk roll supplies. These are available for use with the Z5000 PX or the Z5010 PX printers. We offer the bulk rolls in PET tape, vinyl, heat shrink tube, and self-laminating tapes. For the standard polyester-based material, or PET tape, we offer sizes from 3/8 up to 2 inch in colors black on white or black on yellow in the bulk rolls. For the vinyl supplies, we offer sizes from 1/2 inch up to 2 inch in black on white or black on yellow in the bulk rolls. For the bulk heat shrink tube, we have sizes of 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch, either black on white or black on yellow, and you can choose whether you want continuous length supplies or die-cut ladder feed. For the self-laminating supplies, we offer either 1 inch or 1.5 inch self-laminating bulk rolls. We offer them in black on white, and you can either get the continuous rolls or a few die-cut options to choose from. So that was a rundown on all of the supplies available in the Epson LabelWorks PX lineup. If you have questions about what supply is best for your labeling need, or you want to see samples or talk shop, give us a call. We would love to talk with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling.